you ever heard that old coal train whistle as it lurks on down the line? She moans, she groans, she pulls her load. With a ghostly wave she signals goodbye. Broken glass lay on the floor as a little baby cries. Mother and dad are at it again, and there's a hungry dog outside. The scene, it is set, it is loaded. The conversation is all but been primed. Two barrels are waiting to stare down each other. Two brains are drunk with pride. While somewhere out in the deep dark night, two eyes they come alive. Two lovers of every description connect under a warm summer sky. The news, it is bleeding from papers and screens, and has become as predictable as time. Where are the rainbows and flowers and life? They only show destruction and crime. Why do we only stop to say hello to strangers during the morning light? During the day we carry on our way, and we distrust each other at night. This world has become exposed and perverted. The devil himself cannot hide. Idols are tossed to the throne of the slaughtered. At least tomorrow the sun will still rise. A good man I met, but his name it escapes me. But we sat and drank all his wine as I pondered my little existence, rambling away to the tide. Have you ever heard that old coal train whistle as it lurks on down the line? She moans, she groans, she pulls her load. With a ghostly wave she signals goodbye.